Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Andrew here, back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make $100 via PayPal money all for free with this simple website called Sweatcoin. If you guys haven't heard of Sweatcoin, I'll put links in the description below how to make 20 bucks and my review with this app. So today I'm going to be talking about how to get $100 PayPal for free. So it says right here, we're in the main page of Sweatcoin. It says, hi, I'm Sweatcoin. I have converted so-and-so into currency. So there's lots of steps, you guys, that people converted those steps into currency. So the whole point of it is to walk around, jog. You can invite people as well. And the whole idea of it, you get paid in PayPal, or you can get rewards. You can get gift bags. You can get anything you want, electronics, so on and so forth. So we're going to go right into my PayPal account so I can show you the $100 PayPal proof that I got. So let's go. Alright, you guys, so this is my account here. It says transaction details, February 9th, 2019 at 6:15 p.m. The transaction was $100. So as you can see right here, you guys, this is the payment, February 9th, 2019. I got $100. So that was just yesterday, February 9th, you guys, right there, 2019, February 9th. Payment received from Sweatcoin, right there, $100. That was the amount. So as you can see right here, is $100 right there. There's a note right here from Sweatcoin. It says, next up are more rewards. So that's just a little proof right there that I got $100 from Sweatcoin, you guys. So it's all legit. It's free money from PayPal with Sweatcoin. So if you guys want to sign up, I'll put my link description below, and I'll give you $5 in Sweatcoin money just for signing up with my links. Go ahead and sign up, and I'll give you $5 as soon as you sign up ASAP. So as soon as you download the app, it'll walk you step by step on how to, get the money and how to start. So right here in the home page, it's very simple. It says walk and earn. So this is what it would look like in your cell phone device. It's free for iOS and Android device as well. So as you can see right there, it says walk and earn. That's what's going to look like on your end. And these are some rewards as well. You can get earning. You can get an iPhone 8, $1,000 PayPal cash. That's going to be my next reward. And I'll do a huge giveaway once I accomplish that threshold. So it says right here, more rewards right there. As you can see, those are the Sweatcoin amounts that you would have to give them in exchange of that reward. So it's very nice, you guys. These are the magazines, businesses that it's been featured on: Forbes, New York Times, so on and so forth, Daily Mail. I mean, this website is legit. It's called Sweatcoin. My link will be in description below if you'd like to sign up. There's my $100 in PayPal with Sweatcoin, you guys, for free. So go ahead and get this $100 for free in PayPal. I'll put more links in description below how to make $20 with this app as well. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video, share with all your friends, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see all you guys till next time. God bless you all.